In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a realtor. 5 minutes. Whether you're brand new to Trello or just want a cleaner way to track your buyers and sellers, I'll walk you through a simple setup that keeps every lead and transaction organized from first contact to closing. First, sign up for Trello or log into your account. You can use Trello on the web or in the mobile app, and everything stays synced. Once you're in, create a new board. Give it a clear, business-friendly name like My Real Estate Pipeline or Client Management, so you instantly know what this board is for when you open it. Next, build the backbone of your system with lists that represent each stage of your pipeline. Common stages include prospects, leads, active buyers, active sellers, escrow, and closed. Think of each list as a column in your process. You'll move clients from left to right as they progress, which gives you a quick visual of where everything stands. For each client, create a card and add their key details in the description. You might include how you met, property preferences, budget range, or listing details. Avoid storing sensitive personal information. Keep it practical and focused on what you need to serve the client and move the deal forward. Inside each card, add checklists for the steps in that transaction. For buyers, that could be pre-approval, showings, offer sent, inspection, appraisal, and closing prep. For sellers, you might include listing paperwork, photos, staging, showings, offers reviewed, and closing documents. Checklists make it easy to see what's done and what's next. Assign due dates to time-sensitive items like inspection periods, financing deadlines, and closing dates. Trello will surface upcoming deadlines, and you can mark tasks complete to keep things tidy. If you prefer, use the calendar view to see your workload across the month. Use labels to categorize at a glance. Color code by client type, transaction status, or priority so you can filter quickly when you're busy. Keep your label system simple and consistent across the board. To save time, create a template board or card for your standard buyer and seller processes. Preload your lists, checklists, and labels so every new transaction starts with the same structure. Finally, when a transaction closes, archive the card. This keeps your board focused on active work while preserving a record you can search later for details and reporting. With this setup, you'll always know what to do next, who needs attention, and how close you are to the closing table.